Gifts from nature. A chestnut hits a squirrel. Ouch! That hurts. An acorn hits a baby pig. Ouch! That hurts. A kiwi hits a raccoon. Oh, I like it. Grandpa is also in the park. He sees a squirrel in the tree. Hey, what are you doing? A plum hits Grandpa's dog. Ouch! That hurts. A bird is eating a pear. The pear is sweet. Hey, it is my master's pear, yells the cat. Some apples fall from the trees. Grandpa and Grandma collect a lot of fruit. They are sweet. Look, the birds want to eat the fruit. Everyone enjoys these gifts from nature. The fruit is ripe. It falls from the tree. Let's review some words. Chestnut, chestnut. Acorn, acorn. Raccoon, raccoon. Kiwi, kiwi. Let's review some stickers. Sentences. Hey, it is my master's pear, yells the cat. They are sweet. The fruit is ripe. It falls from the tree.